Hey guys, Brian Watt here with Watt Landscapes. I just got carpal tunnel surgery. That's why my hands are in these form casts here. But it's nor here nor there. I'm not really in the machines doing any work like I really want to be in the machine, but I can't be. We have the machine here on a job site. We're doing some excavation and grading on the property here. It's quite a big. It's a large property in Burr Ridge, and you know, with the next 2-3 days that we have of okay weather, we're gonna just be grading out the property. Adding some topsoil, doing some top dressing, grassy and blanket, but I'll do a full walkthrough on this property so we can see what the guys are actually up to right now. I have 2 more trucks that will be coming in here shortly that we own, and they're bringing in about another 12-15 yards of topsoil right now as we speak. And they're just doing load after load today to bring in more topsoil, so it's pretty cool. Here's the whole process though. So over here, we're gonna grade out this entire area between the driveway area and here, where it's going to be graded out about 5-6 inches of topsoil. It's coming out of here. And then there's one of my new Caterpillars we got. Sergio's in that right now, driving the machine. We're moving topsoil from over here in this section to a lower part of the lawn. That's in a bad dip on the other side. We'll do a walkthrough over there too as well. So here, follow me. See how Sergio's actually, he's sitting a stump that's there. All of these areas here are existing trees that got removed, and there's still stumps in the ground. You get a stump over there. So we're gonna use our stump grinder machine and stump grind out the stumps while the Bobcat or Caterpillar actually grades out the property. So we're taking topsoil down over here. We're gonna follow the machine over this way. What we want to do is we want to limit the amount of use we use on the driveway so you don't crack the driveway or any issues. So just create one path, and he's not doing any turns on the driveway. Down there you can see it's newer concrete. There's not much we can do as far as putting down plywood boards. If we did plywood boards, they're gonna slip around, they're gonna move around. We're gonna have a worse issue. So we're putting down topsoil over there. We're gonna grade out some of that area with the slope, going with the natural contour of the lawn. And we're gonna rip out a fence on the side of the property. As you can see, some of the topsoil we're using there, we're using it as backfill, so we're not going to have to bring in a lot of topsoil. We're using it as backfill around the driveways, grading it all out over here around the tree. So we're going to do all that. We're going to remove the fence that's over here as well. That whole fence is coming out, those bushes, we're leaving the trees. All the mature trees are staying. That's pretty much it. Just grading out the property and make it look beautiful again. Thanks for watching.